Okay, we're looking at this last example. Larry's car gets approximately 18 miles per gallon. Guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and underline that there as something we might want to know. That is gonna be our rate. He is planning a 500-mile trip. That is our distance. At an average price of $1.99 per gallon, how much should Larry expect to spend for the gas? So we're still gonna plug into that formula that we've been using, distance equals rate times gallons. And when we plug in, our distance looks like 500, our rate looks like 18, and we do not know how many gallons we are gonna purchase. In order to solve that, the first thing we are gonna do is get rid of that 18 by dividing. That's gonna give me the gallons. And I don't know how pretty that will work out, so we are going to go to the calculator, and we're going to look at 500 divided by 18. You guys, so see on this one how it's not like example 7. Example 7 was nice and easy, 32.5. This is just this beautiful repeating decimal. I'm going to leave that alone. So we said that was 27.7 repeating, or I'd probably just leave this as 500 over 18 for right now, just because it's going to make your life a little bit easier. Okay, next piece, we are going to look at finding that cost. In order to find the cost, you're going to take the gallons needed, and you're going to multiply with the money amount. So on this one, since it doesn't work out to be anything pretty, we can leave that as a 500 over 18 in the calculator. We're going to multiply that by those gallons, or the cost per gallon, which was $1.99. So I'm going to go back to Desmos, and I'm not going to change anything. 500 over 18 is right there. I'm just going to type in multiply by 1.99 per gallon. And so this works out. It looks like that's going to be, sorry, I need to actually check it on my computer because it's really hard to read from the smartboard, you guys. 55.27 repeating. I couldn't tell if it was a 55 or a 53. My apologies. Okay, so taking a look at that, I'm going to get my cost to be 55.277, and then there was some extra there. But we're going to round this off at 2 decimal places. So I'm looking at this 7 and the one next to it to decide how I round. Since this is 5 or bigger, this is going to round up. And so my actual cost for this trip is going to be $55.28. Find gallons needed, multiply it with the cost per gallon, and you are all done. You guys, this is the last example for these notes, so you can go ahead and go look at the assignment and then the quiz.